Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of budgeting apps and explore the top 5 options that can help you effectively track and control your expenses. Whether you're looking to save for a specific goal, reduce debt, or simply gain better financial control, these budgeting apps have got you covered. So let's get started. Before we jump into our recommendations, let's quickly discuss what budgeting apps are and why they're essentials for managing your finances. Budgeting apps are mobile applications that allow you to monitor your income and expenses. You can set financial goals and gain insights into your spending habits. They help you stay on top of your finances, make informed decisions, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. The first on our list is Mint. A widely popular and comprehensive budgeting app, Mint allows you to connect your bank accounts, your credit cards, and bills all in one place. It automatically categorizes your transactions, provides spending insights, and sends bill reminders. With Mint, you can effortlessly track your expenses, gain a clear overview of your spending patterns. Next, we have is YNAB. You need a budget. For short form, it's YNAB. You need a budget, commonly known as YNAB, is an app that takes a proactive approach to budgeting by assigning every dollar a job. It encourages users to allocate funds for specific purposes and provides educational resources and support. With YNAB, you can gain control over your expenses and make informed spending decisions. The next on our list is Personal Capital. It's not just a budgeting app, but also an investment tracking tool. Personal Capital allows you to link all your financial accounts, including bank accounts, retirement funds, and investment portfolios. It provides a holistic view of your net worth and investment performance, helping you manage your expenses and investments in one place. Next we have is Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard is a user-friendly and straightforward budgeting app. Pocket Guard focuses on simplicity and automation, linking to your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans. It categorizes your expenses and sets spending limits. With Pocket Guard, you can easily track your expenses in real time and receive notifications when you approach your spending limits. And number 5, we have Wally, which last but not least is Wally. This user-friendly budgeting app offers features like manual transaction entry, receipt scanning, and goal setting. It provides insights into your spending habits and helps you become more aware of your expenses. With Wally, you can track your income and expenses effortlessly. And there you have it, our top 5 budgeting apps for effective expense tracking and control. Whether you prefer comprehensive features, proactive budgeting, holistic financial management, simplicity, or user-friendliness, there's a budgeting app on this list for everyone. Give them a try and find the one that suits your needs best. Remember, taking control of your finances is a powerful next step towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.